Happy video day, guys. So today's video we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. We are unboxing, what month are we? May? Are we in May? Yes. We're unboxing May's Boxycharm. I don't even know what month we're in anymore. Everything is intermingled. I have no idea. But this month, our Boxycharm's theme is Mother Nature. So I decided to put on my fun little floral shirt that I just finished hauling. And let me see. We've got a few interesting things inside of this box. And I know this because I have already disinfected every single thing that's inside of this box because I was not going to touch it all. So this month, my box is style 28. So there was a lot of styles of this box going around, so maybe you haven't seen my box variation yet. But let's go ahead and let's go through them. I'm going to show you guys every single thing I have inside of my box, and then I'm going to try on a few of them for you guys and show you guys how they work, and then we'll talk about everything at the end. So let's go ahead and let's get into it right now. So before I go and jump in the box, if you're not subscribed to my channel, now is the time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and, join the family. Do unboxings every single month. So let's get into this. Okay, so the first thing that I'm reading here is from Glamglow. So it is this product right here, the Glamglow Berryglow Probiotic Recovery Mask. It's a creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing mask, and it's an antioxidant rich with berries and probiotics. It retails for $49 US, and you guys know Glamglow is one of those brands that's very talked about. Everybody talks about Glamglow, and it is a probiotic recovery mask. So that actually is pretty interesting. The next product that we got in this box, I was actually completely shocked because I didn't think that this was coming in the box. I didn't even know. It's from Haus Laboratories, which you guys know is Lady Gaga's brand. And this is actually a liquid liner, and it's in a gray color called Whiskey. I actually own the black version of this liner, and it looks just like this. These are super cool liners. If you guys can see, the design is actually really, really neat. And yeah, so we got this product. It's a long-wearing liquid eyeliner, and it has a super fine tip, which it does, and it retails for $20 US. This was a really nice product to have in here. I'm actually pretty shocked that that product was in here. The next one is from Pretty Vulgar. It's the Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. It's a primer that's blendable, lightweight, and skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows. And it retails for $22 US. Then we have in here from Iconic London, we have this product right here, and it's a lip plumping gloss. And it is the ultimate combination for a non-sticky gloss and a plumping power. It retails for $26 US. It's a really, really pretty color. And then finally, one of the coolest things inside of this box is from Tarte, and it's the Tarte Micellar Water Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. This is a micellar water that says that it is a gentle, no rinse facial cleanser that removes makeup, and it retails for $18 US. So I feel like overall this box has pretty interesting things inside of it, and the total retail value is this. We do pay $25 US a month for this box, so I know that the price tag is going to be way higher than what we pay for the box just from looking at the first one. That's $49. Definitely worth the subscription. Yeah, so you got some pretty neat products here. So we're definitely going to be trying out the micellar water and the eyeliner in this video. I have a few thoughts, but let's get right into the try on right now. So I already know everything inside of this box. This is not going to be a surprise for me because I had to disinfect all the outer cartons of the box. So I kind of have an idea of what's in the box. So that kind of works really good for trying on all the products as well. Now, the first thing that I am actually going to try on is these right here. So this was actually really interesting. I did not know that this was inside of the box. And I will be honest with you guys, I saw a few Boxycharm unboxings, and I was kind of like, ooh, this is going to be a terrible month. But I didn't see anybody get this. This is the Tarte Micellar Magic. It's a makeup remover and cleanser. Now, I have been dying to try micellar water. I have seen so many people talk about micellar water, like Garnier and all these other ones, and I was like, God, I really want to try that. Something I've never tried, and I thought maybe it would be good, clean the face, get rid of all that crud that gets stuck on your face, So I really thought it would be interesting, but now I got this one, so I'm excited to try it. It looks like this. It's actually really, really cute. Very tropical themed. It has this little thingy on the top. So we're gonna... Oh, there we go. Oh, hi there. Okay, so on my cotton pad, I'm just gonna like this. And I mean, I don't have any makeup on, but I have been doing a lot of stuff around the house. So hopefully I'm not too dirty. Now, I don't know too much about ingredients, so you guys are gonna have to tell me if this is good. Oh, let me not take off my eyebrows because this is a makeup remover too. But I have been wanting to try micellar water. A lot of people swear by micellar water. They say that it's like life-changing for their face, so I don't know. I'm willing to try anything. Oh, look, I took a little bit of my eyebrow off, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But it feels nice and, ooh, tad dirty for, you know, just walking around the house today, Christina, but we'll blame it on the eyebrow. I kind of like this. Actually, you know what I'm probably taking off too? I have that Root Touch-Up Spray from L'Oreal in my hair. If you guys have gray hair and you want the perfect thing to hide your grays in this crazy time that we can't go to the salons, even though I think we can go to salons pretty soon, I'm going to link it down below. It has saved my life. I'm not planning on going anywhere for a little bit more, so I'm still using that spray, and it is not a permanent spray, so it does come off when you wash your hair, but it literally covers up your grays. I didn't spray it today in the morning. I sprayed it yesterday, so it's a little bit faded, but it literally covers your grays and makes you look like you got your hair done. Definitely took off some crud in there, so oof. So let me know down below if you guys have tried this, but this looks really cool. Interested. That was a really neat one because I actually really wanted to buy that. So now this one right here, I'm probably gonna do an Instagram tutorial with this one. So this is the Glamglow Berry Probiotic Recovery Mask. So it's a mask from Glamglow and it looks just like this. Look at that. That's what it looks like. It actually looks like milk. It looks like yogurt. That's what it looks like. It looks like yogurt. But I think I may try this for a video or something like that. I actually have wanted to try more Glamglow products, so that works out really, really good too. So now what I'm going to do is put on some makeup on my face because some of the other things don't require my face to be so bare. So give me a minute so I can put on my foundation, my concealer, my bronzer, and all that good stuff, and then we'll get... All right, guys, there we go. Finished face. I was going to try on this next product from Pretty Vulgar, but I think I'm going to give this away in a giveaway because I remember trying this product. I remember it feeling like super glue, like really, really sticky, and I didn't like it. So I think that somebody else is going to like this more than me, so I'm definitely gonna be putting this aside for a giveaway. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and do an eye look really quickly with my mini retro from Natasha Denona, and then we'll jump right back in. Okay, so I just did a very soft, feminine looking lid, because I know that the next product that I'm going to be trying on is actually from Haus Labs. So I'm super excited about this. If you guys haven't seen my Make Up Your Mind on the brand new palette from Haus Labs, I'm going to link that down below. You guys should check it out. But yeah, this is Lady Gaga's brand. So this is pretty cool to get this inside of a Boxycharm. I don't know what color this is. It says whiskey. Now I pulled out my Haus Labs liner, and mine is in the color punk. So they're definitely different. This is a demi matte liner. Maybe it's like a gray? I don't know. Oh, it's like brown. Ooh, I'm excited. Or it's gray. Maybe it's gray. I think it might be gray. This could be really interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and dabble with this liner really quickly. I do know that I like the black one, so let's check this one out. This is actually applying really, really good, but I always have a hard time doing this on the camera, so I'm gonna jump over here really quickly and do this. I like this. Okay, so I really like the black one, but this gray one is awesome too. Super easy to apply. I think everybody's gonna really like this. I am so happy that Haus Labs putting in like a product into Boxycharm put this, because this was one of my favorite products that Haus Labs released before. So this is really good. I think this is like a gray color, but it almost looks black, but it's kind of like a gray. I think it's pretty gray. I'm calling it a gray. It looks really pretty though, guys. Like it works amazing. So I love that product. That's great. So, and this is the final look at using all the products that I wanted to try on inside of my Boxycharm. And I will say, surprisingly enough, this was a successful box. I actually thought it wasn't going to be, because when I saw some other people unboxing their stuff, I wasn't really a fan of some of the other boxes, but it looks like there was a lot of variations this month. my variation was very good. So I'm actually happy. Two of the products, I ended up deciding that I'm just gonna put them in giveaways because to me, they're just not going to work. So I'm not gonna use them for no reason. But let's quickly go over what I'm loving. The Tarte Micellar water looks like it's gonna be pretty damn good. What I'm excited for is I don't usually wash my face in the morning because I don't wanna wash my face too many times a day because it dries out your skin. So I'm excited to use this maybe like midday, like maybe before I put on my makeup in the middle of the day or something like that, before putting on makeup and maybe cleaning off some of the residue that's on my skin from the night before. I think that might actually work out really nice for me. So I'm excited for that product. I'm actually really thrilled it was inside of the Boxycharm. That may have made the box for me. But then also this Haus Laboratories liner is amazing. I love the black version of this, and this gray one is beautiful. I can see myself using this color maybe even more than the black because it's a little bit less in your face. You know, black is just very black, and this gray is more dyed down. I feel like it matches my vibe a little bit more. Sometimes I like to do a little bit of a softer lid, and I feel like using this gray, you still get that pronunciation on the eyes, but you're not getting it like crazy. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put on mascara. So this just reminded me of my wedding. I didn't wear mascara on my wedding day because I got so sidetracked with doing so many things that I forgot to put on mascara. So this is like, usually when I forget to do something, it is mascara. So yeah, it's not surprising to me that I forgot to put on mascara right now. So much better with mascara on. Ugh, it's one of my can't live without type of things, but it is the thing that I always forget to put on when I'm in a hurry, which is crazy because it's what I love and what I forget. But anyways, I'm loving the Haus Labs. Like, I think that this is amazing. I actually think that this is one of those products that I would even tell you guys if you guys don't get Boxycharm and you just want to buy something that's nice. The Haus Lab eyeliner, the liquid liner, is really good, and it may be my new go-to. Like, I've been using the black one that much, and now I have a gray one. Super excited about that. The Glamglow mask, I have not tried, but I'm excited that it's inside the Boxycharm because Glamglow is one of those products that everybody always talks about. Glamglow, Glamglow, you know? And this is just a nice little scented mask, and it's a probiotic recovery mask, and I've been into putting little masks here and there on. Not like a routine, but every once in a while I'll just, you know, put on a mask. So I'm interested in trying that product. Now, the two products that I decided not even to try was the one from Pretty Vulgar. Now, I know this product, I have tried it before, and I remember it feeling like super glue. It was a little bit too tacky, and I don't like my eye primer to be so tacky. I remember feeling like if I would put my lid up, it would get stuck to my eyebrow. Like, it's so tacky. So that's why I decided not to try this, but I'm sure there's going to be somebody out there that will love this. So this is going to be in a future giveaway. And then the Iconic London lip gloss, very pretty color, guys. This is a gorgeous color. It's actually perfect for summer. It's one of those plumping lip glosses, and I honestly just don't like those, and I'm pretty sure that's what it is because it says it everywhere, plumping, plumping. So it's probably the ones that give you that like tingly feeling. I'm not into those type of lip glosses, so even though it's a gorgeous color, I definitely am not going to be trying it because I'd rather give it to one of you guys. So those two will definitely be in a future giveaway. But overall, I think it was a very successful box because even the products that I didn't try on, I do feel like there's going to be people out there that are going to love them. So I am happy with my Boxycharm this month, thank God, because like the last two times I was kind of like, I don't know what's going on with Boxycharm. I was not a huge fan of the last two boxes, and this one definitely was a good box. Do I think it was fantastic? No, but definitely for me, it was definitely a good box. So next month I believe is Boxyluxe, so let's see what they do with Boxyluxe. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did like this video, maybe you should hit the subscribe button so you see me again. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.